Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a time password app. Time-based one-time password apps, often called TOTP apps, are a fantastic way to boost your online security. They work by generating a new, unique code every 30 or 60 seconds, adding a crucial second layer of protection to your accounts. This simple step can make a huge difference in safeguarding your digital life from potential threats. Setting up your first account is straightforward. Begin by downloading a trusted time password app from your app store. Once installed, open the app and look for an option to add a new account, often represented by a plus sign or an add button. You'll then typically scan a QR code displayed by the service you're securing or manually input a secret key. After confirmation, your app will instantly start generating new 6-digit codes. Using the generated codes is simple. After entering your username and primary password on a website or app, you'll be prompted for a second verification step. This is where your time password app comes in. Open the app, locate the correct account, and quickly input the current 6-digit code into the designated field. Be mindful that these codes refresh frequently, typically every 30 or 60 seconds, so speed is key for successful login. To maximize your security, always enable two-factor authentication on every service that supports it. Consider backing up your secret keys if your chosen app provides a secure method for doing so, which can be helpful if you lose your device. Always protect your phone or tablet with a strong passcode or biometric security. Finally, remain vigilant against phishing attempts. Never share your time-based codes with anyone who asks for them unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.